Well, the good thing about the next few days is that things are finally warming up a touch. I think compared to the recent days, it is going to feel decidedly tropical for the middle part of this week. But with that comes a lot of rain and wind as well. We've got Met Office warnings in force across the East Midlands. For the time being, though, it is fairly quiet out here. We've seen a little bit of brightness as well. We'll stay generally dry for the daylight hours then. Quite cloudy, though, and moderate westerly winds with temperatures similar to yesterday at around 6 or 7 Celsius. But things will start to get a bit livelier into the evening. We've got some patchy rain pushing in after dark, and that is going to be on and off for a time overnight as well. Could be the odd heavier burst into the early hours of the morning. It should start to push to the north by the end of the night, so will become dry in southern areas later, and it's a relatively mild night with lows of 5 or 6 degrees. Now, the rain continues to push north through tomorrow morning, and it may well sit across the Peak District for much of the day. We've got an amber warning here for persistent and heavy rain. The rain totals will be totting up through the day, and there's a good chance of seeing some severe flooding. Of course, details on the BBC website. Elsewhere, there's the chance of some lively showers, which will be falling on saturated ground, remember, but it's generally a bit drier to the south. Gusty winds everywhere, and it is a very mild and muggy day, highs of 11 or 12 degrees. Now, that rain will continue overnight into Thursday and continue through much of the day on Thursday across the Peak District. So there is a lot of rain to come over the next few days. Of course, as always, stay tuned to the forecast.